What's up, everybody? Hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and to this video in which I wanted to do a quick price prediction and price analysis on the GOTS token, or the token used on the GOTS or in the GOTS Unchained game. It's been a while since we analyzed this. I think the last time was actually around when it just got launched on Coinbase. I'm a big fan of the game. I know quite a lot of people that have played it and really enjoyed it. I haven't played it myself, but I know that a lot of subscribers back then under those videos, and we talked about it quite a bit then, also on streams. That is quite a good game, but the main problem that I have with it is that it has quite a lot of inflation. So only 5% has been released of the max supply right now. And a lot, I believe like a third of everything that's going to be released. A third is still rewards of the play to earn system, so that's like 34%. That just means that there's a lot of inflation in the price, and I believe GOTS Unchained is a great product, but GOTS is not only like a governance token, it's also a utility token, which means most of the times with games like SLP too, it's just going to go down in price over the long run. The market cap is probably going to go up, which is great for the game. But personally, and that's not financial advice or anything, because on the short term you can definitely make some gains on tokens like these. But on the long term, I just predict that it's going to go down. I mean, we would have to see a massive increase in price if we want to be ahead of this inflation. So that's just my 2 cents. If you want to look up the tokenomics, you can just type in GOTS Unchained, GOTS token tokenomics. You will find there are enough things known about it, so definitely some research to be done. On the short term though, as I said, some gains can be made, and it's up 24% now. Volume is up to great levels at 80 million, almost 3.4 times the market cap, so that's all looking great. Had this big move up to 1.38, 1.4 up there, and now when I did the analysis, and it's really crucial at this point of time, the main thing we're trying to do is just to stay above this level right here. As you can see, there's this level here around $1, and obviously $1 is a major psychological support level, or a major key level at least. It's just we need to stay above this level between 97 cents and 1.05. And if we can actually stay above that level, I think we could even extend this bull run. The main thing we would need to do, so it's quite tricky, this situation, so I'm going to try to explain it as well as I could. But the main thing we need to do is stay above that 97 cents level, which is the lower bound of this bigger key area. If we can do that in the next couple of hours and the next day, then the next thing we need to do is close above this level here. So I can visualize that a little bit too. Close above this level right here at around 1.15. So I'd say if we close above 1.15, that's already enough. But if we close like around 1.3 and stuff, that would be better, because then we can take that break retest off of that level between 1.2 and 1.15. And I think that's enough to actually bring us up to this 1.5, 1.6 level up here. So that's really the most bullish outcome. And as of right now, even though I explained it quite thoroughly, and it may seem like that's the most likely outcome, I'd say this has like a 15% probability of happening. What I think is more likely, unfortunately, what I think is more likely is that we might be able to stay above that $1 level for like a day, but in the end we are going to fall below that. And if that happens, we'll just fall almost immediately down to this level at around 80 cents and 78 cents. And after that, I expect us to drop down even more towards 70 cents and 60 cents, this level down here. And this level could actually hold us for a longer period of time, but that's also up for debate, and I really need to update that. But I would say that this level at least holds for a couple of days, probably like a week and a half. But if we are in like a bear market, we are going to have more bearish impulses, more bearish fundamentals, and this level will also not hold for GOTS if that happens, I'd say. So unfortunately, I think something like this is more likely, but I just wanted to talk about this scenario as well, because it is possible. It is possible to have massive gains. I mean, we saw that with IOs as well, I think. That's down 17%, but over the last, I mean, this spike was down from 7 cents all the way up to 16 cents. So it's definitely possible to have 100x. So, I mean, the bad thing with GODS is that we already had a gain of about 300%. So unfortunately, I really think this is the most likely scenario from now. That's still a big gain from a week ago. Don't forget that. But yeah. So that's basically my analysis on GODS right now. If you do have any questions about the analysis or about anything I said within the video, please let me know down in the comments. But as for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.